So let me explain what is GROW360. GROW360 is created based on two things: Big Five personality traits and the competency assessment. What is a Big Five trait? Which is a really famous psychology model, widely used everywhere, and it's also known as the ocean. So O is a stem from openness to experience. So people who are more likely to experience something new and open for new ideas. And second one is a conscientiousness, which means people who are really organized and then be able to achieve their own goals. And then extroversion is extroverted or introverted people's extroversion, extrovert people. So when you're free, like what do you try to do? Maybe you try to stay home a lot, reading book, or maybe you try to go outside to like hang out with your friends to like, explore more new things. And fourth one is agreeableness. It's a basically people who is a social glue. So people who has the ability to agree with people and be able to connect people in a group to make a harmonic society or harmonic group. And the last one is a neuroticism. Neuroticism is basically emotional stability. People who are not maybe impulsive or like maybe stable like all the time. And so this is the big five traits. And next one is 25, no, it's a competency. So we use 25 competencies, which belong to four categories and 84 behaviors to assess people's tendency of the behavior, and then they are observable by other people.